With an owner named Texas and an ingredient list about as long as my grocery list on the weekends, we bring you Barn Brand Beard Company. What's going on, everybody? Today we have got a little unboxing for you, for me, for you. Depends on what you want. Is it for me? Is it for you? Who's it gonna be for? Today is Barn Brand Beard Company. Their owner's name is Texas. They're out of Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and he sent me this nice little box here. So let's get to cracking on this guy. Let's see how we want to go about this. This is the first I've got to try from these guys. He hooked me up with a nice little discount. I paid for one combo, and I think he sent me two on him. So we should have a nice little selection here today. Once I get this torn open here. Oh yeah, look at all these here. What do we got here? His Cantaloupe and Smoke beard butter here. I really like that. That's sharp looking. There's a whole bunch of everything in here. Nice little koozie. Really like that. Nice logo there. Double-sided koozie there. We've got his Cantaloupe and Smoke oil. Wow, this is a different kind of oil topper than I have ever seen before. That's kind of neat. We've got his, what are you here? Fresh Cut Trees Crisp Mountain Air Warm Winter Flannel. The heck is this? Oh, Lumberjack beard oil. This is a nice little surprise. I didn't know that was coming. We've got his Watermelon and Smoke beard oil here. I really like his little theme of that. The barn there is his labeling. Then we've got does this say Emo edition? An Emo edition of his Cantaloupe and Smoke with a little pink barn here. A few little different things there. And we've got another butter here. Yep, another Cantaloupe and Smoke. Yeah, it says Emo edition infused with, what the? Maracaju fruit. I probably pronounced that wrong. Maracaju fruit. Not a clue what the heck a maracaju is. Nice little business card here he sent. Got that, and there's one more thing in here, I believe. Nice little padding in here. Then we also got the Watermelon and Smoke beard butter here. Whole bunch of everything in here. Make sure I got it all. Here's something rattling around in there. What's this guy? There's a few things everywhere in here. What is this? Oh, just another business card taped to the side here. So it's kind of hard to tell with all this stuff in here. All right, I think we're good. And I'm making a mess. All right, so we've got, what is that, 4 oils and 3 butters here. Let's get to cracking on these guys quick. See what kind of smells we got coming in here. I noticed there's some have a little pump topper here, and then some kind of have the dropper top. Making a big old mess here. Let's see. This might, actually, we're going to be smart about this. I was going to squirt that in my hand. Let's not do that. Let's just go from the top. Ooh, that's a really nice scent. Very, very soft, fruity. I kind of get the, the cantaloupe. Yeah, I do get the cantaloupe, and then definitely the smokiness on the end. That's a really nice, kind of has like a little bit of a campfire ending here. He's got his ingredients on the back here, but he told me to go ahead and read them offline. He said online, they're all, everything is current online. He's got to run the old labels. He likes to make changes to his blends. He makes changes to his blends and can't always upgrade the labels until the old labels are all gone. So this is a laundry list of ingredients. He uses castor oil, watermelon seed oil, macadamia nut oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, jojoba seed oil, shaleolene, pomegranate seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, medium chain triglycerides. Wow, I made it through that word. emu oil, tamana oil, melon extract, and vitamin E oil, all in his oils. And I think a few of them kind of differ off of that a little bit, but not too much. When I do a full review, I will go into that a little bit, just show you what each one has. I don't want to have to read this list 1,000 times. Then we've got his watermelon and smoke. This one's got the dropper top to it. Let's see what we got here. Man, he puts a wrap on the whole dang bottle here. Better be safe than sorry, though. That's for sure. Don't want these guys popping open in the mail and ruining everything. All right, and we've got his watermelon and smoke scent here. Really sharp label here. Really nice, little shine, little gloss to it. Made in the U.S. And yeah, I did ask him. He said he makes everything in-house except for his soap. He makes, I think it's a black African soap. He does that out of house. I'm not sure how he gets that handled, but I don't have any of that with me here today. Anyways, and this one is a fresh melon slices, charred oak, and cedar roasted marshmallow. That sounds nice. Ooh, yeah, I don't get the watermelon's not overpowering. I get kind of like a manly musk to. Yeah, I get a little bit of the watermelon, but it's definitely kind of like a manly, smoky, kind of campfire musk scent there. I really like that one. That's really nice. The viscosity on these, I would definitely say that's probably about a medium. I can't wait to get these in beard and really see how they feel in beard and the smells that come out in beard with these. Now we've got his cantaloupe and smoke. So this is just a little bit different from the other one. I'm assuming just kind of a different melony scent to it here. This one looks like it's going to be tricky to get off. This one's got like a nice little gold cap to it. I haven't seen a beard oil show up like this before. And as you can tell behind me, I've got plenty that I've kind of seen how they show up. All right, we're going to have a mess to clean up. How do we go about this? Huh. So, nope, that doesn't come off. Huh, that's interesting. I'm going to have to play with that and figure out, maybe this part comes off? I don't know. I don't want to spill it, so let's just smell it. Ooh, whoa. Whoa. Wow, that is, what the heck? That is potent stuff. Fresh melon slices, exotic pipe tobacco. That's definitely what I'm getting there. Campfire smoke notes. Whoa. This one is, whew, that is potent stuff. I don't know what the heck that is. That's like a, definitely like a spicy tobacco almost, like a jalapeno scent to it almost. Holy moly. That feels like somebody gets too close to you with this and you might be burning them up. That has got like a really spicy scent to it. I really like that. We're going to have to see what that comes out smelling like in beard once I get that worked in. That is strong. Man, yeah, whew, it kind of burned my nose a little bit. Just a strong jalapeno scent almost out of this one. And that was the cantaloupe and smoke. That's just the regular cantaloupe and smoke. And last for the oils, we've got his lumberjack. This kind of sounds like this might be up my alley. I really like the woodsy smells here. Let's see what we got in this guy. Oh, man, I don't like wrappers on these things. I understand it, the shipping aspect, but they suck to try and get off of here. This is just a battle. All right, I think we got her. So we've got, what's this one? This is Fresh Cut Trees, Crisp Mountain Air, and Warm Winter Flannel. This sounds right up my alley. Let's see here. I don't know. I thought the other one was going to be, and I got a nose full of jalapenos almost. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Definitely kind of the mountain air, fall, almost like a fallish kind of scent here. That's super nice. Definitely got a cologne scent to it. Yeah, definitely like a very manly cologne, musk, fallish scent here. But you definitely kind of get like a pine, I'd say more of a pine or fir versus a cedar kind of scent with this one here. And that is the lumberjack scent from Barn brand beards. And then we've got his butters. His butters, I'm going to go ahead and read the list of this off while I take this off. He uses shea butter, cocoa butter, hydrogenated castor oil. He uses 2 different castor oils. Aloe butter, cocoa butter, linoleum oil, mango butter, beeswax, MCT oil, emu oil, castor oil. That second castor oil is the Jamaican black castor oil. Hemp seed oil, watermelon seed oil, vitamin E oil, melon extract, arrowroot powder, and vitamin B5. My goodness, that is a lot of stuff in all of these. I don't even know how this is on here. Luckily, I think I still have my handy dandy knife. And he's really got these sealed up here. Which, with the warmer weather that we're finally coming off of, I could definitely see why with the butter. You don't want these leaking out all over the place. Ugh. And this is the watermelon and smoke scent. See what his butters look like. Anxious to see these guys. Oh, and it comes with a nice little seal on them here. He really takes care of these, making sure they get to you nice and safely. And there's no easy way to go about these, huh? I'm getting my finger in butter. Oh man, I'm gonna have a big old mess when I get done with this here. And here is his butter. They look super, super soft. Let's see if we can get this to, there we go. There's his butters here, and oh yeah, that's pretty soft there. Let's see how it emulsifies. Oh yeah, that's that really nice watermelon smoky scent here. It's gone super, super quick. Ooh, yeah, I really like that. That watermelon smoky scent is super, super nice with the watermelon and smoke. He really knocked that one out of the park. That one is really, really good. Next we have got this one's a little easier to get off. This was the jalapeno scented one that really kind of caught me off guard here with the cantaloupe and smoke. Let's see what the butter smells like. See if it's, oh, now I got butter on my hands. It's gonna be hard to get the rest of these off. Oh, this one didn't come with a seal on it, so doesn't bother me much. You can tell it hasn't been touched. Yep, woo, goodness gracious. The jalapeno scent that I'm getting out of this is super, woo. I might be afraid to use the oil and butter like this because I'm going to be smelling like a walking taco walking around. But yeah, it is super nice, but I just get a really strong jalapeno scent out of this for some reason. It is nice though. Yeah, that cantaloupe and smoke. Maybe it's like a burnt pie, cantaloupe or something like that, but I definitely get like a jalapeno kick out of this one. Definitely a different scent. Not bad, but definitely different. And then we've got his other one, his other cantaloupe and smoke, which I get nothing even remotely close to what I got out of that one. I kind of like the difference in this one. You can see he used a little black container. This one's a little white. I kind of like that. I like the little differential here. Yeah, this is the cantaloupe and smoke. I'm trying to really read that. It's kind of hard to see exactly what that says right here. Just kind of tells you it's a little bit of a different scent. Just says MO edition infused with macanjo fruit. I'm going to have to look that up when I get done with this, what a macanjo fruit is. And this one does have a seal on it. Somewhere. There it is. Let's peel that guy off. Hopefully a little easier than the last one. There we go. A little easier. All his butters look very, very soft, very hydrating. I did like to see the list of his ingredients. He does use a bunch of the oils, so I'm assuming this is a very hydrating butter. Oh, yeah, and that is very nice. This smells very similar to the watermelon and smoke, just kind of more of a cantaloupe vibe to it. But it's not that jalapeno scent I'm getting out of this other cantaloupe and smoke. This one's just super, super strong with like a jalapeno scent to it. These are all great. I can't wait to get these in beer. I appreciate it, Texas. Hope to get these in beer, let you know how they feel. Hopefully I don't become somebody's snack walking around smelling like a jalapeno. But we'll tune in. We'll let you guys know what I think of these scents. I appreciate it, Texas. Everybody go check them out at barnbrandbeards.com. I'll put it in the link in the description. Everybody have a good day. Love you guys. Take it easy. Peace.